The payment report is the subject for the next video. In this, it's very similar to the one we just looked at, which was the billing report. Only thing is, this one actually shows the payments and the information for the payments. You use it just like you did the billing report. The exception in this screen is that you show the balance of cash that is still unpaid and the summary total and total of all the items for payments. So as far as the cash receivables, this is the accounts receivable screen. And if you have an account that wants to follow this on the payables and receivables, you'd use the billing and payment screens to track that information to go into something like QuickBooks. Now, one of the things that I've always pointed out about these kinds of applications, because they're custom, you obviously get the benefit from the standpoint of not having people in your accounting system, like employees that don't understand the accounting system and may mess up your accounting. This is quite simple to put it in here, and any edits or changes that are added by the accounting person to, say, QuickBooks or Peachtree would be first-hand information that is put in there. If somebody comes in and alters a record here, you can always verify it through your accounting system that a modification or an error was added after the fact. This information can be, one, sent to an Excel file or a PDF, or it can be printed in a paper format if you wanted to send it to an accountant or other person that you want to have that information provided to. Like in the other report, you would use the find mode and perform find to find either individual records or date ranges like we showed in the last one, where you're doing greater than and less than to show specific date periods. This is kind of nice if at the end of a week or 2 weeks or a month or whatever, you want to see who has an outstanding billing balance that you have to send a statement. You could run this report and put anything greater than, as far as a balance of 1 cent or $1, whatever way you want to do it. I would say at least 50 cents. And that way would show up all the records with people with outstanding balances. And then you would have a collection report for your accounts receivable, and the information and date and items and who actually owes you money. So this works very well for providing information, and that information also can be used if you wanted to use this as a statement filler. This would provide the individual items that were paid or not paid from that client. In this particular case, you can see that this payment showed on this particular date, this item has 582 balance, and that information is vital to keeping your business organized as far as balances and everything. As you can see, the payment showed each individual installment that was paid and the balance that was remaining. So you can see that it was paid on but not completely, or it was paid on and completed. Okay, thank you for taking this video. Remember, again, run report in order to fill in the headers on this report, and then show all records to return the records once you've completed your transactions. Thank you.